Good evening, it's Brian here at Fitzpatrick. So I want to show you very quickly this Honda Jazz 1.3 ES VTEC. This car is finished in Milano red and it's really striking looking. And this video is just a quick introduction as to the features that come on this ES model Honda Jazz. If you want a more comprehensive video, call, text, WhatsApp, whatever suits, 086 843 1945. If you want information about your trade-in or how to finance a vehicle like this, again, call, text, WhatsApp, 086 843 1945. Fitzpatrick's Garage, family-run business in operation for almost 70 years. So features worth noting: daytime running lights, front parking sensors, 15-inch alloy wheels. The grille has really nice chrome inserts and the headlights are auto-adaptive, so they're actually able to dip or go into a full light position without you having to do anything yourself. And just like the front, parking sensors are also standard on the rear of the car. The car features full colour coding including door handles, wing mirrors and bumpers. The engine in these cars is a 1.3 VTEC unit, €200 a year for road tax, 100 horsepower, and the car achieves over 50 miles per gallon or as little as 5 litres per 100 kilometres. And the great thing about the Jazz is it's always been one of the most reliable cars that Honda has ever made, always featuring highly on any independent surveys in terms of reliability. The car's also got some interesting safety features. So up here we have a collision mitigation radar, which means under 32 kilometers an hour, if you don't react, the car is going to try and stop you if it detects that you have not reacted to something stopped in front of you. Behind these wheels then there are anti-lock brakes, emergency brake assist and emergency brake distribution, which means you can slam on the brakes but still maintain full braking pressure and full steering control of the car in an emergency situation. And should you be unlucky to have a collision, this car has steel bars all the way down the side of the car for side impact protection support. Airbags are also standard for the driver's side, passenger side, as well as curtain airbags up in the roof and side impact protection airbags in both front seats. In terms of storage, the boot is actually one of the biggest boots in this class of vehicle. The access point into the rear, as well as the rear legroom and headroom in this car, is class leading. And what's unique on the Honda Jazz is the magic seat setup, which allows very, very long or very tall objects to be easily transported. And the unique flexibility of the seating is also continued into the front of the car with this full recline mode on the front passenger seat. High specification levels are also continued on the front of the car and the interior, including things like front and rear electric windows and mirrors, controls for traction control, front and rear parking sensors, lane departure warning, with a driver's seat that is also height adjustable, and a steering column which has a rake and reach function also. Cruise control is also standard on this model, and electric window wipers are also standard too. Controls for radio and USB connectors, as well as full automated light functionality including high beam support, are also standard. The clocks are nice and big and bright, and the multifunction display even features things such as speed sign recognition. Radio and USB functions are through the touchscreen Honda Connect. Air conditioning is standard. USB connectors are also standard. And this gearbox is very nice and precise with 6 forward gears. So this is just a quick guide as to what's in this 1.3 ESI VTEC Honda Jazz. These cars are super reliable, well equipped, they drive really, really good. It's a pokey little engine, there's a nice little gearbox to go with it as well. And you can drive this car from €85 per week. Call, text, WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to run through how that works in terms of trade-ins, in terms of finance. The warranty on the car is 3 years, the roadside assist is 3 years, and these are quite a strong car when it comes to residual values in terms of what they're worth when you go to trade them back in. Hopefully this video tour has been useful. If you want a more detailed review, please do give me a call, text, WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to send one directly to you. Thank you for taking time to watch.